Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics quickly so you don't chase ghosts. First, plug in and charge the Solo 4 for 30 to 60 minutes using a known good cable. Low battery causes many failures. Once charging, watch the LED. Steady or pulsing light indicates power. Then clear device memory. Hold power and volume down for about 10 seconds to force a reset. This resets Bluetooth pairing and minor firmware hangs, so make sure to reattempt pairing after the headset reboots. After reset, you move to more detailed checks that catch intermittent faults. Inspect the ear cups and hinge for loose wiring or debris. Flex gently while listening for crackle. If you hear static, the cable or internal connection may be damaged. Next, ensure your phone or PC Bluetooth drivers and OS are up to date. Old drivers can block connections. Once updated, delete any old Solo 4 entries and repair fresh. This forces a clean handshake and resolves address conflicts that survive resets. You're at the finish line. Isolate and fix physical faults first. Plug in an audio cable. If sound works wired, the Bluetooth module or antenna is at fault. Once confirmed, power down and open the affected ear cup to reseat ribbon cables and connector pads carefully, because poor contacts cause intermittent operation. If the battery is swollen or holds no charge, replace it. If problems persist despite these steps, document exact symptoms and attempts, then contact service or claim.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.